Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having this problem that profile picture not showing of your account or your friend's account. So guys, as you can see here, if you want to open your WhatsApp, and guys, as you can see, when I am opening this, I can't see here any profile picture on my friends numbers. And guys, if you have this problem that you have not find your profile picture and anyone can't see your profile picture, so guys, you can fix this problem as well. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, main reason of this problem is your update problem, WhatsApp update problem. So guys, simply you need to open your app store here, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, after searching WhatsApp, you need to update your WhatsApp from here. As you can see here, I have an update. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your app. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your settings here, and guys, click on general, and guys, you need to click on iPhone storage, and below you will find WhatsApp. Simply you need to offload or delete your app from here. And guys, after this, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your WhatsApp, and guys, open your settings here and click on help, and guys, click on contact us. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you are facing related profile picture. And guys, after writing your problem, simply you need to click on next, and guys, submit your problem. And within few minutes, they will response of your problem. And guys, after this, they will fix your problem within few minutes. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.